thank you for choosing our weather forecast channel. This is the headline. Unsettled at times, but a lot of dry weather. Clear and windy conditions across the northeast, before cloud and light rain, already affecting Northern Ireland and Western Scotland pushes east. Elsewhere, often cloudy, with patchy light rain mainly for coasts and hills. Mild. Tonight. Rain becomes confined to Shetland, elsewhere, cloudy and mainly dry. Some breaks are possible for parts of the southwest as well as northeast. Chilly with ground frost here. Otherwise mild. Saturday. Dry, cloudy for much of England and Wales. Cold front reaches Northern Ireland and Western Scotland late morning, continuing southeast through the evening. Mild at first, becoming colder later. Outlook for Sunday to Tuesday. Plenty of dry and sunny weather for many, but it will be cold with overnight frost. Cloudier, windier and milder across the north, with some rain for the far northwest. Now, latest updates presented by BBC Weather's Matt Taylor. Thanks for watching.
Hello, where the cloud breaks today, it may actually feel a little bit spring-like out there compared to what we'll see this weekend. We'll see more in the way of sunshine developing, especially by Sunday, but it is going to start to feel colder once again. When I say colder, temperatures dropping back to where we should be. At the moment, we're in a run of very mild air coming up from the mid-Atlantic, but the blue colours indicating those cooler conditions. Temperatures back to normal for the time of year, pushing in as we go through Saturday night and into Sunday. A few days away at the moment, though, as I said, pretty mild and feeling it where the sun breaks through the cloud. Thickest of the cloud across Scotland, northern England as we start the afternoon. Patchy rain or drizzle working its way eastwards. The odd spot of light rain drizzle can't be ruled out elsewhere, but many western areas brightening up relative to this morning. Winds also easing down compared to what we've had so far today across the north and the east. Wettest conditions there in Orkney through the afternoon, and that separates the slightly cooler conditions, 7 in Lerwick, from the very mild elsewhere, 8 to 14, maybe 15 Celsius if you get the sunshine. So as I said, get that sunshine, you will get that spring feel to things. Now through tonight, the first batch of cloud, patchy rain or drizzle clears out the way. There'll be some clear skies for a time, but cloud amounts will generally build through the night, and it could turn a bit damp and drizzly around some western coasts and hills into tomorrow morning. Another mild night, but not quite as mild as the night just gone. So into Saturday we go, lots of cloud around to begin with, light winds as well, a few cloud breaks here and there, the odd isolated shower western parts of England and Wales, but it's in western Scotland, Northern Ireland, it will gradually turn wetter from late morning into the afternoon. The heaviest rain though in western Scotland. That rain really arrives in the east and towards the southeastern borders with England as we hit late afternoon. Another mild one, but not quite as mild as today. Temperatures down a degree or two. And then as that weather front pushes its way southwards, it will generally fizzle, but it is going to introduce those cooler conditions as we go into Sunday. But it's going to clear away a lot of the cloud. Plenty of sunshine around on Sunday for the vast majority. Cloudy start admittedly in the Channel Islands. Patchy rain or drizzle here. Bit more cloud into the north and west of Scotland later on, but for many it's going to be a sunny Sunday, and even though it feels fresher out there with much more sunshine around, you feel a bit of warmth from that strengthening sun. But we'll continue into next week with temperatures at, if not below average for the time of year, especially across some southern areas. Northern areas always a little bit milder. Cloud gathers here later in the week, but for many in the south, overnight frost and fog could be the issue.